7716 License Street. There's a satellite dish. So I tripped on this here. I think it's a couple hundred to shave it down, not a big deal. I didn't trip here, but I was thinking about it right before I tripped on the other one. So maybe those two spots need to be shaved down. So repaint this wood frame and the front door. That's something we do at most properties, not a big deal. Tile at the entry, then carpet. So I think it would be great if you take tile all the way through to the kitchen and into the kitchen. We have a space saver microwave. I would replace these lights. We're already missing a thing there anyway, so might as well replace the lights. There's a bit of a smell in the house, but I can't figure out what it is. Oh, it might be water damage. Okay. Again, that's something that we see all the time. We just have an inspection, make sure there's no leaks right now. And hopefully the seller will disclose whatever it was on the SRPD. Okay, so that doesn't close. Very easy to get that fixed. Also, when I come back into the house, I'll start counting blinds. This is the side of the yard that gets the morning sun, and this should block a good amount of the afternoon sun from this concrete area. So a good landscape cleanup. It's great that we already have rock. It's a fairly private backyard in the sense that you don't have a two-story backed up right over your backyard. You can't see the 2 stories, but they're not looking over you. Could also add a security bar. It's about $35. Repaint, it's about $1.50 a square foot. Okay. I'm going to start with this blind. So 1 blind. Not bad. Change out the hardware. 2 blinds. Carpet seems fine. Add tile in here and in there. Cabinets actually look okay. That was 1, 2 blinds. 3 blinds, 4 blinds. Tile in here as well. Light fixture shows a little bit of rust. Caulk in there. It's something that we do fairly often. I would put a blind up there. There's 2 windows on the other side, but even if no one can see through it, I'd still put a blind up there. Fairly decent sized closet. Carpet seems fine. Carpet seems fine in here as well. Okay, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blinds in here.